my best friend. That's my best friend.
Сәлем достар, бүгін челлендж Асланбек Оразалы маған және де басқа да YouTube блогерларына челлендж лақтырған болатын. Бұл челленджда 30 секунд ең көп отжимание жасау керек, ол бірінші. Және де екінші, планкада ең көп уақыт тұру керек. Ендеше кеттік.
I do not want to fake it, I do not be mistaken, cause I know who is real and I know who is faking. Cause I done see them brothers step me every single day then, but all them days are over, now all of y'all be faded. Now you try to hit me up, see I get success, well I'm running with my brothers from the bottom, we are best. I got my time and my money that I invest to this music fame and it's going good, that's facts. Gotta make this work and we ain't perfect but we're on our way. Yeah, this is loyalty with all my brothers every day. Man, the rest just wants to stab me in the back and in my face. Well, I don't talk to y'all, but this is loyalty, okay? Hey, this is the loyalty, collecting my royalties, cause I am a king, dog. I be the boy to be. This is that loyalty, collecting my royalties, cause I be a king, dog. I be the boy to be, I be the boy, I be the boy. I gotta make it, I bring the convoy. Come with the homies, I come with the boys. Y'all wanna talk, hear that noise. I don't really care about it, man, yo, just care to doubt it. But in a couple years we'll be the ones that are really proud kid, and now say I'm at it. Like lately I'm crazy when I just be rapping, and y'all just tell me that I can't not get it. But I blast up when I'm on the mic, yeah, click like damn, I'm a weapon. Cause I am a weapon, a sniper, and I live by your code that you get the cipher. Cause in my heart I'm a fighter, so I took the decision. Let me run to the fire, let me run to the fire, let me save a friend. Let me run to the fire, I need to make amends. Let me run to the fire, let me fix this mess. Let me run to the fire, I gotta rap, I gotta go and address all these things that are happening. So I'm every day, every single day.